Welcome to ALS. This short video will demonstrate the best way to pack a cool box with samples that you need analysed. Sample integrity is an important first step to getting your results accurately and quickly. Once you have completed your online sample submission or handwritten sample form, follow these simple steps to ensure your samples arrive safe and sound when you pack your ALS cool box for delivery. Ensure that all your samples are uniquely identified. Enter your details online through all solutions and cross-check the information on the printed submission form with the physical sample to ensure they match. Alternatively, you can fill out the submission form by hand, taking care to make sure the writing is clear and legible and that the numbering matches the sample. Ensure that all samples are completely sealed to prevent contamination and leakage. Fold down the sample submission form, seal it in a ziploc bag and place it on top of the samples. Any containers that hold fluid must be packed in an upright position to prevent leaking. Place enough frozen ice bricks in the cool box to maintain temperature control. Pack the cool box with suitable padding to fill any remaining space. Seal the cool box with tape to keep it closed and prevent leakage. Apply the required shipping labels to the outside of the cool box, ready for the courier. Your cool box is now securely packed and ready to be shipped to ALS. For additional information, contact your service representative.